For every Trio staff member who believes in you, who wants you to do great things and be a great person. 1, 2, 3!
And on that stage, in that moment, I realized something profound. All those nights in that trailer, all those storms, all those sacrifices were all just a part of my story. And if I could go back and say anything to this Jose, it's what I want to leave with you today, Trio family. And that is, your story is not over yet. Your story is just getting started.
Even when life gets tough, we got two choices. Either you're gonna power down or you're gonna power up. And I hope that with you looking at me and I'm looking at you, that you power up. And so Trio family, this is what powering up is all about. I don't know what life is gonna throw at you. I don't know what things are gonna happen. I don't know what friends you have to let go. I don't know what decisions and habits you have to stop. But I'm telling you, if you made the decision that you know you're supposed to, it's worth it. Not only for you, but for your family and for everybody else, your friends and the people that you can inspire, not only in your city, but also in our nation.